Japanese sa trabaho mo.
Procedures.
Oo.
Ora.
Kora. Okay. Baka may request na naman ang audience natin.
Meron ng Alan. Ready na siya.
Ayan, this time may bayad na po, ah.
Oo.
Bawal lang can we stop and talk a while, bawal yun.
Ay, ate.
Oh, beautiful lady, bawal din.
What's your name? Jenna. O, Jen. Ano naman nagagaling? Sorry. Pero talaga. Jenna, taga saan ka? Tipolo. Nakakatuwa. Say ho. At mukhang gusto mo si Marichan, anong song gusto mo marinig?
Ano po, Christmas in Our Heart.
Ayan na.
Ano bang Enero? Enero na?
Doon siya kilala kasi mga
Oo,
ano.
sa
Pag
bagay, sa
narinig ko na
bagay.
si
Sige, sige.
Christmas songs.
Kaya nyo na siyempre.
Yeah, okay.
Siguro memorize mo lang ng songs na si Marichan, no?
Basically, yes. Kasi yun ang pinapakinggan ng mom and dad sa bahay.
Sige. Sige nga, patinig mo nga doon kayo. Ano pangalan niya?
Angela.
Angela. Yung kanta, Umbrella. Angela. Pwede mo makakagawa mo yun.
Merry Christmas, mga Dowercats! Whenever I see girls and boys and lanterns on the street, remember a child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving such changing cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in their hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow, where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Everybody, let's sing Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. This season we will never forget the love we have for Jesus. And be the one to guide us to the New Year stars, and may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.
Yay! Natulog mo talaga siya, no? Kailan hindi mo na maramdaman talaga yung spirit ng Christmas pag Enero na, no? Lalo na patapos.
Kasi February pa lang ang mahalan eh.
Kanina nag-request kasi ako kay Saldi, mag-request naman ako kay Nas. Please be careful with my heart. Tapos ikaw si Richie, saka si Ian. Ian, halika na. Ano? Halika na. Dalawa kayo ni Richie. Practicein muna kayong dalawa. Richie! Richie!
Mas matata kasi ako.
Virginia ba niya?
Oh, sige. Richie! 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 Sige, kaya yun na lang. Please be careful with my heart. Sino ba mga doon? Lalaki, babae?
The girl.
Babae.
Babae. So ikaw?
Yes.
Ha? Opo, ano yes?
Yes.
Wow! Sige, please be careful with my heart. Pero,
If you love and you tell me the skin forever will
naman siya.
You can take it, just a breath.
Wala ka daw na discuss.
You were my first romance, and I'm willing to take May silig talaga. Still loving you. I will be true to you. Still promise to you. From the very start, it's here for my heart.
Ito na yung lalaki na. Your turn na. Ayan na.
No one can, no one else. We always shoot for the world to see. Love letters softly spoken, and I have had my heart back broken. I will be that I've been hurt before. So I can just how we feel, just my love is real. I'll be gentle with your heart, I'll caress you like a moment. I'll be right beside you forever. From the very start, be careful with your heart. You are my friends, you are my
Kinapos ang...
Thank you, thank you. Uy, pinahangal niyo akong dalawa. May ano tayo, wala na tayong challenge. Okay na, Nas. Thank you very much. Wala tayong oras.
Thank you, Naz and Zaldi. At mga American sa mananalong float ay tatanggap ng 10,000 pesos at meron naman 5,000 ang non-winner as consolation prize. Sa grand finals naman naghihintay ang 300,000 pesos!
Chance na makapag-set sa clown.
Good luck sa ating mga close for today. Alamin na natin kung sino ang panalo sa ngayong araw.
1 or 2, team
Andrea Bocelli or Jose Marichan?
Ayon sa hinampalan, tinatanong nila ano gawin nila.
Bebani, yun pala.
The close, the boys and the stars winner for today is contestant number 1, Jose Charlie Carlos.
Andrea Bocelli, congratulations!